Hello there and welcome to this new Wow Money video. Do you like to watch videos online? I know that you too like binge watching videos on YouTube and Netflix, right? You're there hours and hours just because you are bored. Then one day I had this wild idea. What if there was a way to actually make money watching videos online? And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. How to make money sitting back and watching videos. And the crazy thing is that you don't need anything to do this. You only need two simple things. You need your smartphone and internet connection, and that is all. And you can start making online money watching videos starting today. Here are some payment proofs that you can see. People are making hundreds of dollars of PayPal money just watching videos. Here's a rough idea of how much you can make using this method. If you watch 5 videos, you will get paid $7.5. 20 videos make you $30 and 50 videos are worth 75 US dollars. And the best thing about it is that it's 100% free. You don't need any upfront investment of any sort. And it works worldwide. So whether you are in Germany, Philippines, the US, South Africa, it's all the same. You can use this method and make money watching videos starting today. And make sure to keep watching this video till the end. Don't skip ahead or anything, because by the end of this video, I will show you a bonus tip that will make you even more money using this method. But before we start, if you are new here, consider subscribing to our channel Wow Money. We post pure valuable content consistently every week to help you make money online and become 100% financially free from home. And turn on the notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Also, if you want to learn how you can make up to 500 US dollars every single day, you might want to check our website wowmoney.net, where you can find more details and information about how you can make money online and how you can create passive income streams on the internet. Alright then, let's jump into this video. So the website we're going to use to make money watching videos is BTCShare.com. Before I tell you more about the website, let's check how different users are doing on this website. Are they making money or not? And here you can see how much money people using this website have made. And as you can see, they came from all over the world. So here you have $45, $3, $10, etc. Now let's go back to the homepage, and here you can see that it says interact with advertisers, earn up to $1 plus per ad views. So basically all you have to do is click on ads and you will be able to make up to $1 per interaction. But interacting with ads isn't the only way you can make money using this website. As you can see here, this website will pay you for clicking on banner ads and also for just viewing ads. And the reason why a lot of people use this website to make some extra money every single day is because they are very secure and also they are sustainable, which means that you can always work on this website. You can always make money no matter where you are. You will never be blocked or be out of videos to watch, and that is great. Now let's go ahead and sign in. So up here we have the register button. I want you to click on that, and that will lead you to this page right here, create an account. So it's very easy. You just need a username, a password, and an email, and you are good to go. And be careful, put your real email address, because they will send you a verification link to validate your account. So don't put a random email when signing up. Before we go any further, I want you to see how many people actually register to this website every day. Take a look at this. Hundreds and hundreds of new registrations every single day. That's crazy, right? This means that people are actually making money and they trust this website, which is the case. I showed you earlier, they are very secure and they pay so well. And here you can see how many people were active daily, how many people came to this website to make money every single day in the last month. Look at this. 80,000 active people every single day. Now this is a real proof that this website is actually worth it. Okay, so as I said, you can make money clicking on banner ads or watching ads. Let me show you a quick example of what a banner ad looks like. So here is a banner ad, and this is also a banner ad. You can make money just clicking on these using BTCShare. So basically, you click on it just like this, and then all you have to do is wait 5 seconds and then close the page. So when clicking the banner, you wait 5 seconds and close the page, and you will get your payment on the website. And the other way is to view video ads. So let's go to the view ads, and here we have all the ads we can view. So let's just click on view paid ads. Now you have to prove that you are not a robot. You resolve the CAPTCHA, confirm, and then all you have to do is wait 5 seconds and then close the window. Now in this example, we were on a website, but most of the time you will have video ads to watch, and that's how you will earn money. And here you can see that my balance was funded with money. So each time I watch an ad, my balance will be funded with money. Now here's a bonus tip I told you about earlier. When you click on an ad and watch it, you can just keep watching multiple ads at the same time. This means that you will binge watch ads and make way more money. And if you are still watching, I'm going to show you another tip, a better one yet, to make money watching videos on the internet. And it's using this website called Hideout TV. Here you can even choose what type of videos you want to watch. And you will watch videos, for example, about adventure, celebrities, food, gaming, laughs, etc. You can choose what type of videos to watch. And here you have all the videos that are in this category. And you can just start watching the videos and make money from them. And the same thing as earlier, you can come down here and click on the next videos to watch and make way more money. And the thing is, if you keep watching videos in the same category, so you don't change from celebrities to adventures, for example, you just keep watching videos in the same category, you will have your money doubled. So this website will double your earnings, and that's really cool. So if you watch 15 videos a day, that will make you $23. And if all the videos are from the same category, that would be $46 every single day. This means $1,300 every month from watching simple videos on your computer or your phone. This is incredible. It's so easy and free, and you don't even do a thing. And yet you are making over $1,000 every month. And by the way, you don't have to watch the entire video. You only need to watch 30 seconds of each video, and that will be enough for you to get the money on your account. So 30 seconds of each video, that is all you need to do. You guys, that is so easy, right? And also, one last tip, just open multiple tabs at the same time and just let the videos running on the background. That will triple your earnings. If you have multiple videos running at the same time for 30 seconds, you will be paid for each one of them, and then you can even watch way more than 50 videos a day. So that will make you way more than $1,300 a month. So all you need to do is sign up for BTCShare to make money clicking banners and viewing ads. And also, if you want to make way more money watching videos, use the Hideout TV website to make even way more money. Don't limit yourself. Use these different methods, these different income streams to make money online. This way you are sure to have daily income coming in. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We help you make money online and quit your 9-to-5 job to make a full-time income from home. Also, check our website, wowmoney.net. It's in the description box. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next video.